Hi guys! Day 3! Yan. Oh, yan. Nagre-ready na kami. So, yan. Ito lang muna yung suot namin. Layering, proper layering lang daw today kasi sabi nila, moody yung ang panahon dito sa Korea. So, napatunayan naman namin yun. Kaya lagi namin bit-bit lang yung mga jacket namin, then naka-t-shirt. Pero ngayon, medyo cloudy kaya pinagsasot na ko na sila ng jacket nila. Oh, Daddy, jacket ka na.
Yung hindi naman masyadong ano pala dito sa Korea.
Hindi masyado malamig?
Hindi masyadong malamig.
Okay, sige. Tingnan natin
Let's go.
mamaya. May ang nginig na naman ng tuhod. Okay, we're going to, our itinerary today is sa Suwon. So, try namin mag-Suwon Fortress, yung fortress doon, tapos yung library, and then, try rin namin pumunta ng Ensol today kasi yesterday hindi kami nakapunta. Medyo pagod na and ang daming ang tao. So, yan. Samahan nyo kami for today! Yan na yung hair ko. Katay. Bye guys! See you later! Waiting ng bus. We're here at the bus stop. Huh? Huh? Wow! Yan na. Ito.
Stanley tayo.
Mhm.
Mukhang mall to mall ba to?
Mhm.
Ang tamis!
Bilisan mo na. Number 1 screen.
Yan na si Skriller. Oh! Wow! Thank you sa baso ko ah.
There's no that
Daddy, daming food tripping dito. Ayun o.
I don't have any choice but do that. Already, that's fast.
Let's try this one. They have ano rin, rice cake mix.
이건 조심. 손가락으로 가래 쌀이 그러니까 조심.
This one.
애기 조심. 애기 걸리니.
Why is this a 2 spoons? Daddy, 2 spoons.
Yeah, para sa inyo ni Ina. Baka
Wait.
bulunan.
Hold this.
Okay, kaya wag. Okay.
Hold this.
Eh, ba't
Sige.
chill lang? Chilling, like a chiller.
Hindi mo si Ina yan. Yeah.
Try mo muna.
Hindi po machinatsa yan.
방금 나가던데.
Ito yung pinupukpuk nila kanina doon. Pero ito yung green.
This one?
Oo.
Let's try it.
What? Oh, so that's a mochi.
No,
Oh, rice cake.
it's rice cake. Binibigay ito pag ano, yung ano yung dati yung parang may mga bagong lipat. Yung mga ganun, di ba? Like it.
Can I try? Wait.
Wow.
Hmm. First
Siklomsoy.
time.
Siklomsoy number 34.
First time.
Mm.
First time eating this accident teacher up already.
Mm. No.
Parang herbal.
Mm.
Ito less ice.
Hindi mo naman sabing suma yan.
Hindi. Parang sobrang ano, for suman. Sobrang sticky niya. I like it.
Hmm? Huh?
Can I taste it?
Yeah.
Ang dami rin ito ah.
Yes. I do like that.
Acquired taste.
No, new taste unlocked.
Mm.
Mochi taste.
Kaya niya yun. Yan,
Hindi
iba na
yan.
ako. Ayoko na.
Ayaw mo ito, mami?
You're not a rage. So they put here first. And
Para hindi makakagat sa wall yung pala.
let's go to the can.
Yeah. Go to the cannon. So, we're here at Hanggang River tonight and ang daming tao kasi Spring Festival nga today. The whole place feels so lively. May mga food stalls everywhere, people just walking around, hanging out, and enjoying the night view. The weather was okay earlier, so we were actually planning to stay longer, chill by the river, and finally eat ramen here kasi yun nga yung uso, di ba? Pero ayun nga, biglang umulan, may paambon effect, so medyo na-cut short yung original plan namin. Sayang, because this is actually a nice place to just slow down for a bit. The lights from the buildings reflecting sa river. Grabe, sobrang ganda. And kahit crowded, relaxing pa rin yung atmosphere. And there's something nice about just being here, walking around, checking out the food, and enjoying the view. Not exactly how we planned the night, but still a really good experience. Honestly, even without the ramen and tambay moment, the hanggang night view is already worth coming here. So, guys, try this out and go here din pag nasa Korea kayo. Hey guys! So it's raining here today. And bumili ako ng umbrella. Ay, hindi pala. Ayan. Korea at night. It's already 10:30 p.m. But it's really safe here. And it's a quiet neighborhood. So, yeah.